Welcome everybody. On this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Windows recovery environment and system reset in running Windows, or by booting from the USB drive. This is a brief video for professional users, however, there is another video containing many methods and comprehensive details showing everything about Windows recovery environment and variations in its location. The second video is available on video description or from notification of suggested videos. I will show you 4 methods to repair or to restore the WinRE environment in Windows 10, however, the procedure is the same for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. Method number 1. Type cmd into search box, then run command prompt as administrator. As you can see, the C is the Windows partition in my PC. If you are booting from USB, open command prompt and execute this command to identify Windows partition. Also the C is the Windows partition. Execute this command to change cmd directory to system32 folder. Replace the C with the letter of Windows partition in your computer. Execute this command to show Windows identifier. BCDEDIT/v/enum/osloader. Type this command without hitting enter. ReAgentC/enable/osgid space. Copy the identifier of Windows and paste it after previous command, then press enter. Make sure the description is containing Windows 10 or the Windows version that is installed on your PC. In running Windows, you can execute ReAgentC command with or without using osgid. Method number 2. If you failed in method number 1 with the following error message: ReAgent.exe, the Windows RE image was not found, do the followings. Search for WinRE.wim image file using this command. Replace the C with the letter of Windows partition in your computer. If the file found in another folder, copy it into recovery folder using this command. Execute ReAgentC command again to enable recovery. Method number 3. If the WinRE file not found in Windows partition, search for it in recovery partition if available as followings. Type disk part and hit enter. Type list disk and hit enter. If you have more than one disk, select the disk that contains Windows partition based on its size. In my case, I have only one disk, which is the disk number 0, so I will select it using this command. Cell disk 0. Execute this command to show the list of volumes. List vol. Execute this command to show the list of partitions. List part. As you can see, there is a separated partition for recovery in my PC, which is partition number 4 or volume number 2. Recovery partition usually labeled with recovery name and its size around 500 megabytes with NTFS file system, but not FAT32 file system. In a custom manufacturer recovery with additional apps or tools, the size of partition may extend it into many gigabytes. If the recovery volume doesn't have a letter, give it v letter using the following 2 commands. Cell vol2. Assign letter equals v. Execute exit command to close disk part. Show contents of the v partition using this command. dir/s/av:/. If the WinRE file available in the recovery partition, copy it into recovery folder inside system32 folder using the shown command. Remove editing protection from all files inside Windows RE folder using this command. Delete all files in Windows RE folder using this command. In running Windows, you may need to set the recovery path using this command. Rename the ReAgent.xml file in the recovery folder using this command. Now, enable recovery environment using ReAgentC command as on method number 1. If the ReAgentC failed with this error message, the boot configuration data has not been configured, or ReAgentC.exe, unable to update boot configuration data, you can fix that as followings. Execute the following command to rebuild BCD. BCD boot C:\Windows. Execute ReAgentC command again using new Windows identifier. Restart your computer to apply new changes. Method number 4. If the WinRE file is not available in both Windows and recovery partitions in your PC, you need to copy it from the USB or DVD that you boot from. If the Windows in the USB or DVD contains the whole Windows files, use the following commands. Create an empty folder in the C partition using this command. mdc:\mount. Extract the first index from the USB or DVD using this command. Replace the D with the letter of the USB or DVD drive in your computer. Copy the WinRE file from extracted folder to the default path using xcopy command as shown. Execute the ReAgentC command to enable Windows recovery environment. I have already created a bootable recovery image for Windows 10 x 64 version 19041. The link for ISO file and how to flash it into a USB is available in description. You can use my recovery ISO image if applicable to your OS version either by double-click the ISO file in running Windows, or by flashing it into USB drive then booting the PC from it. Use the shown command to copy boot.wim file from the USB into default path inside System32 folder. Replace the E with the letter of the USB drive or the mounted ISO file. Rename the boot.wim file to WinRE.wim using this command. Execute the ReAgentC command to enable the Windows recovery environment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe.